Driven by the ambition to create modern steel processing lines powered by Vietnamese engineering and reaching global markets, HK has spent more than 4 decades continuously researching, innovating, and advancing its technology. Step by step, the company has met the demanding standards of the steel machinery manufacturing industry. Through persistence and dedication, HK has achieved remarkable milestones as its steel production lines continue to cross oceans and reach customers around the world. Continuing this journey, HK has recently successfully exported the HK-S127 steel pipe rolling line to Honduras, a country in the Americas. The entire production line was researched and designed by HK's own team of engineers and technicians, demonstrating the company's ability to master advanced technologies and manufacture steel machinery that meets international standards. Before shipment, every machine undergoes a strict inspection process. This includes detailed technical measurements, electrical load testing, and full-line operation under conditions that simulate the real production environment at the customer's factory. All stages are closely supervised by experienced engineers. At the same time, packaging and transportation are carefully managed to ensure maximum protection for every machine and component, guaranteeing that each system arrives in perfect condition for the customer. In addition to export projects, HK also designs and manufactures a wide range of steel pipe rolling lines with different specifications and sizes, including HK-S90, HK-S60, HK-S45, and HK-S32, along with automatic pipe stacking machines that help arrange steel pipes quickly while saving time and operating costs for businesses. HK steel pipe rolling lines are designed to produce high-frequency welded steel pipes, widely used in applications such as prefabricated building structures, construction scaffolding, pipeline systems, leading poles, as well as household and furniture product. Each system is equipped with advanced technologies, including SCADA software for data storage and operational monitoring, intelligent PLC control systems, and modern high-frequency welding technology that ensures strong welds and high precision. These features help businesses optimize investment efficiency and strengthen their competitiveness in the market. With more than 40 years of experience in mechanical engineering and machinery manufacturing, HK provides complete turnkey solutions, from consulting and design to manufacturing, installation, warranty, and maintenance, meeting customers' technical requirements and project timelines. For consultation and detailed quotations, please contact our hotline, +84 909 073 505, or visit our website at hondy.com.